welcome back to my channel FunX Creation. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can DIY this designer open table lamp. So for this you'll need plastic bottle, golden card paper, pearl beads and some glitter. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, I've taken this huge bottle and it's a plastic bottle, and over here I've given these two cuts on the below part and the top half, so you can cut it as you wish. Now I'll just start covering it with a glue. So this is normal glue and I'll just use my flat brush to put the glue in on the each side. After doing this, I'll just take my glitter bottle and sprinkle all of the glitter on my bottle. So once the half part is done, I'll just cover the second half part of it. But before that, I'll just put the glue all over the bottle using my flat brush again. Now again I'll just sprinkle the glitter dust all over the bottle. So once it's done, now we'll just keep it to get completely dry. But before that, we'll just take these two cardboard cutouts, and this is a golden card paper. You can easily get it from market. You'll just have to make some cuts like this. You know how we get on pizza slices? Like that. We don't have to cut it completely till the end, but one part will come out and the others will remain the same. Now we'll just cut the petal shapes. So it will look something like this. A flower will be made, and then you just have to cut the circle, a little bit tiny circle, and then you just have to fold it and stick both of the end leaves together. So it will give you a shape like this. Now you just have to take any regular pencil and you have to fold the petals little bit to give it a realistic look. By the time our bottle is getting dried, we just have to make these flowers. Now as you can see, I've made a lot of flowers, and then I'll just take the same golden card paper and I'll just cut the shape of leaves, because with flowers we'll need little bit leaves also. Okay, so after this you just have to fold the leaf also with a regular pen or pencil. And after this, as you can see, we have something like this. Then this is a cardboard and I've drawn some circles over here. You can use your rounder or any other thing to make the circles, and then you'll just have to cut them out. So as you can see, I've taken this golden card paper circle also, and I'll just measure the circle in the between and then cut it off again, because we want it both of the same size. Now after cutting it, I'll just glue them together. So I'll just cover the cardboard with the card paper. Okay, so now this is another cardboard cutout, and I'll just paste the edges together. So we'll get a cylindrical shape like this. And then I'll just have to cover the cardboard with the card paper again. So I'm using golden card paper throughout this video. Now I have to just glue this part and the CD part which we made like this together, so it will create a effect of a stand for the bottle lamp. And then I'll just cut this bottle. This is a small bottle. I'll just cut it, the top half, and then I'll just remove the bottle cap and then cut it a little bit more. Now we'll just give the shape of petals, and as you know, I've made already these type of flowers in my many videos, so you can check it out on my channel, guys. It's very easy. You just have to cut some petals and then shape them from the top, and then I'll just glue the full bottle again and flat it with the flat brush. Likewise we did on the bottle. We'll just repeat the same procedure over here also, and then we'll cover it with the glitter dust. So as you can see, it's completely dried now and it's looking something like this. After that, the leaves which we made for the bottle cover, we'll just fold them and then we'll just stick it on the petals, so it will give a more shinier effect. So once it's done, you can just glue them on the top of the the stand which we made for the table lamp. You just have to stick that. So once it's done, this is a golden lace which I have taken, and I'll just cover the borders of it. So on the base and also over here. So you can take any sort of lace you like. I've taken golden because I'm going with a golden theme. And then once the base is made, you just have to take your bottle, which is now completely dried, and you have to stick it on top of this, and then you just have to go through the flowers you've made and cover the bottle, so it will make the look of the bottle more beautiful. Just keep on sticking the flowers and the leaves and cover the bottle. Once the borders are done, now you can start sticking in the middle also. Don't cover the full bottle because the light will also be there. So you have to get the light out of the lamp also. So you just have to cover little bit areas of the bottle. Now as you can see, I am just taking the pearl white beads and I am completing the look by sticking them on the base of the lamp and also in the middle of the flowers which I've made. So once you complete the look with pearl beads, it will look very royal, and as you know, these kinds of lamps we usually find in fantasy worlds, princess castles, so it can relate there. So as you can see, the look is completed and this is the final look. Now from the hole which I've made, the light, you can take any fairy lights and put inside battery operated lights, and then you can complete the final look and place it anywhere for decoration and it will look really beautiful. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you like my video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye.